WooFDriver's werewolves.
Okay, folks, the situation. We are on our ghost hunt, and we are inside. Well, right now I'm giving you a view of this furnace. And the furnace,
WooFDriver's werewolves.
trying to take the wall, is supposedly where somebody had hung themselves going back to the 1800s, I believe. That's Curtis, our ghost hunting expert. And we're going to take you all over, but now we're going to do our ghost paranormal exploration. Curtis here. If you see the flash, that's just Doug, photographer. Some really cool shots. Is that the spirit box, Curtis?
WooFDriver's werewolves.
Hi, my name's Curtis. Are there any spirits here with us tonight that would like to communicate with us? Brought a few things that you might be able to do that
WooFDriver's
with.
werewolves.
First thing I'm going to let you try is a little red lamp down here. All you have to do is walk over and touch it, and it'll light up and it'll show us that you're here.
WooFDriver's werewolves.
Are there any spirits here with us? We understand there's a man that hung himself.
I believe so.
Are you here, sir? If you're here, come out and touch that red lamp, that drum there on the ground. It'll light up and show us that you're here. Can you give us some
WooFDriver's
sort of
werewolves.
sign? Can you say something?
WooFDriver's werewolves.
Here, I'll put this out here too. Y'all can also interact with this. This is a spirit pattern. All you have to do is touch it, it'll light up. So we'll put that out there too.
WooFDriver's werewolves.
I'm gonna put a little radio out here talking out to
WooFDriver's werewolves.
We'll be able to hear you when you speak.
WooFDriver's werewolves. WooFDriver's werewolves. WooFDriver's werewolves.
What was the other story?
The woman is supposedly walks around here. I don't know if she was the wife.
Okay. Are there any spirits here with us? Is the man here that hung himself? Committed suicide? Everybody's wife, we're here to go.
WooFDriver's werewolves. WooFDriver's werewolves. WooFDriver's werewolves.
Is there anybody here that can tell us about this furnace?
WooFDriver's werewolves.
My name's Curtis. I'm a ghost hunter. This is William and this is Doug.
WooFDriver's werewolves.
Other states to talk to you guys. I came all the way from Virginia. That's why I sound funny.
WooFDriver's werewolves.
Is there anybody here that would like to speak to us?
WooFDriver's werewolves.
Look around back. You have a bad feeling back here?
WooFDriver's werewolves.
Okay, Doug's got a bad feeling back here, so.
Anybody here with us?
WooFDriver's werewolves.
Eerie?
No,
I know.
WooFDriver's
Like that man makes me feel uncomfortable. It could be down in here, in this back hole.
WooFDriver's werewolves.
Yes, did you feel it?
Yeah. Something's different back here.
WooFDriver's werewolves.
Everybody back here? This side of the furnace?
WooFDriver's werewolves.